In the 50s, the basic t-shirt rose to iconic heights, becoming one of the most timeless fashion garments in the world. But while technology is all around us, the t-shirt is still made in the same old school way. Unprotected cotton gets dirty and smelly easily. We want to create clothing that is made for an action-packed life.
If great technology is all around us, why not use it to make t-shirts that repel stains, smell and body odor? At Lefresh we create garments engineered to last a lifetime. We use 7 unique treatments to create the most advanced garments in Europe. Developed in Switzerland, produced in Portugal and designed right here in Amsterdam.
Our journey started last year, when our dress shirt became the most backed Dutch fashion project in Kickstarter history. Since then, we quit our jobs and went all in on sourcing the greatest cotton technologies. With a mission to make life as easy as possible, without compromising on the quality and design. It took us 1 year to get a t-shirt right, but we're finally ready.
The outside repels liquids and dirt. At the same time, the inside absorbs fluids and wicks away moisture, so your sweat evaporates through the fabric. We also added silver particles to the yarn, so that bacteria is killed before it turns into body odor. Our mill in Portugal only uses 100% soft, long stable cotton. And together with our designer, we use data from 67,000 men to design the perfect fit. To us, it represents the perfect marriage between style and performance. Be free to bike as fast as you want, without worrying about body odor. Present big plans to your team, without worrying about sweat stains. Visible sweat stains become a thing of the past. And when the club is going off on a Tuesday, we guarantee you that this shirt will party harder than you do and still be fresh in the morning.
Being on Kickstarter 1 year ago truly changed our life. Back then we worked from our living room. Now we've sold 5,000 shirts and we have a lovely office in the red light district of Amsterdam. It's time to wash less, buy less and wear more. We are still a young startup and need your help. Please back our campaign today and help us create the most innovative garments in the world.